I have been a Toastmasters for about 5 years now. And the reason why I joined Toastmasters in the first place is because I was afraid and scared of public speaking. I grew up not speaking up. I don't want to take risk. I just want to curl up in a corner and just fit in. That means I won't get bullied. No one will touch me. I'm good. But the moment that I read this book called Failing Forward by John C. Maxwell, it changed my life. Now I want to share it with you. With this workshop, we get to learn the difference between achievers versus average people. We learn to get a new definition of failure and success. And lastly, we get to learn that failure is not the enemy. So hopefully, after the workshop, we learn to fail forward together.